Allow the muscles around your ankles to release. Your feet fall to the side.
You have a choice about keeping your arms down along the side.
Yeah, you scroll. You scroll. You scroll.
Chin and just our chest up in baby cobra.